Hey, what's up, guys? It is Josh. It is 8:02. We're going to jump right into the Nasdaq. And let me share my screen with y'all. Hope everybody had a great morning. I am drinking some coffee. So we're going to jump into charts. I hope the screen is not black. I know it does transition to a black screen when I put the trader rate onto the YouTube. So hopefully that's all squared away. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. It helps the algorithms, and it is highly appreciated. So as we can see that the Nasdaq is up a lot today, $256, or if you want to call them points, we're up 256 points. That's nice. I wish I was in that all night, but I don't like to leave positions open. So my loss, right? I drew this line last night, and I also drew this line last night. So let me get out of the 3 minutes, go to the days. We'll go to the day candles. So this is how I drew them lines last night. So the support level down here, the support level here. Let's see. We had this resistance here, and we also had this upper resistance. So that's what we're going to look forward to for today. We may fall since we had this huge 251 point substantial freaking hijacking, right? I'm going to call it a hijack, right? Look at that. That's nice. It done filled all this space up that we lost over here on the first. That's crazy. And I was asleep, so that sucks. I wish I wasn't asleep. That'd have been a nice scalp right there. Well, I mean, it's technically not a scalp because that's a whole hour candle, right? That's several. Let's see how many 30-minute candles that is. That's a 30-minute candle. Just one nasty 30. It's 2 15 minutes. Wow. We may have another huge, another big 15 or another 30. What's above this is fine. Okay. So that's what we need to know. Where is it going to go next if it does decide to keep going? All right. So we're at 244 level, and up here is the 537 level. So that's another 200 points. That's crazy. That is crazy good. Let me position this properly, man. And I thought about holding a position open last night. You know, I should have went in my first thought. You know, yeah, but shit happens. Shit does happen. It is 8:06. We have what? 23 minutes left. 23 minutes to the Nasdaq. To the New York session begins. Let's see. U.S. stocks may see initial strength following the upbeats of the job data. Wall Street bounces. Yes, we could obviously see that. The markets wait for the U.S. jobs data. That was early this morning. Okay. Well, there's your jobs data right there. Boom. All right. That's awesome. There's a lot of people that are happy this morning. Good morning, man. Good morning. What time did that start? Oh, that was exactly when the that statistic hit. What was that, jobless claims? I don't know. Let me look at the economic calendar real quick. Economic market watch. Pretty sure it was today's the 4th. So payroll was at 7:30. Unemployment was at 7:30. U.S. hourly wages was at 7:30. John Williams gives a speech at 8 o'clock, so that's just now, and then that's it. So there's no more news. I lied. They have Austin Galsby has a TV appearance at my 9, so another hour, but that ain't going to do nothing. That's not going to move the market at all because I've never heard of them. So maybe we may try, I don't know. It's too early for me to even guesstimate what's going to happen in the market, right? We filled all this, which I said a couple days ago that was going to happen. I just don't know when it was going to happen, but we can clearly see the build up to it, right? Especially right here. I think I made some plays. No, I traded yesterday night, so probably, yeah, I caught a little swings in this area last night for the Asian market, for the Asian session, I should say. So now we just wait to see if we push higher, right? If we push higher, we're gonna have to look forward to this price level here. That's gonna be a hurdle, right? That'll come over to this guy. It hit it 2 times, rejected both. Got a rejection off of it as well as here. It's a slight break. So overall, that is a resistance. So that's going to be in the moment trading, right? Or we could just blow past it. Marvin, what up? I did not catch that long. I just turned the computer on for the first time this morning, about 10 minutes ago. Man, last night I was contemplating on leaving like 3 micros open, but I didn't, so I missed out. You know, three micros wouldn't have been much on that, but it still would have been something. That's nice. Did you catch it? I hope you caught it, because I surely didn't catch it. I don't know. I don't know. Do we have enough momentum to keep pushing above? We may. We might. I don't know what the data actually looked like, but apparently it was decent enough. So I'm seeing one of 3 things that could happen when the market opens. The obvious, it falls, right? It did all that and it falls. So that's one option. The second option is we go up to this price level of 331. Now this is a decent resistance right here, all the way back from this past week and the prior week. This is a decent resistance level. So that's option 2. We pull up here test it a few times, and then go back down. Or option 3, we just blow, right? It just keeps strengthening. We have a 600-point day on the Nasdaq. So I personally have no idea what's going to happen today. But we are in an uptrend. Let's see what it looks like on the days again. So we may be on back on a bullish uptrend, right? But we have to get past this right here, which is 320s, 324 level. We have to get past that. You caught it this morning? Awesome, man. That's great. That's awesome. Oh, yeah, it was a little too late to turn it on. It happened at, what, 6:59-ish? I was at the gas station getting my coffee at that time. Oh, man. Well, it's nice to meet you, Marvin. I don't think I've ever seen you before. Thanks for popping in. I'm here every morning. Right. Yesterday I took the day off because we had to go do stuff with my wife and kids. So I had some stuff to do. But normally I'm trading the New York Open Monday through Friday. Hours. We for sure will, I see, get a pullback halfway. We'll get a halfway pullback. It's too early to tell. But I mean, typically you do get a pullback, right? You had a steep fall, right? It pulled back about halfway of the fall, right? So now that we did this big uptrend, it may go a little higher, and then we do get a pullback. But I think eventually today we're going to come back to the 160-ish, somewhere around there. So let's go higher for another 100 points and then pull. That would be nice. We'll see. We shall see. What we got? How many more minutes till? Oh, we got 14. Yeah, 14 minutes till the market, till the New York rings their bell. What time frame do you like to trade on, Marvin? I'll hop around, but I like to trade on either the 1,000 tick or the 2 minute. Oh, my back is stiff this morning. I slept on it, so my right side's stiff. So I must have slept on my right side, man. All right, so 5 minutes starting to push up more. So I don't know. Let me get into micros. I'm gonna do micros right now until the market opens. I'm going to do a micro until the New York opens, right? Let's see. Do just one micro just to get in there. Doesn't really, I shouldn't even really trade this, but whatever. I just like to be in a play. Maybe that's weird. So let's see, let me put my high prices, my low prices, and the last traded price. There we go. So what is that price level that I have that line at? 200, 330. Let me draw that on the micros. 200 and 330s. I don't know. You have to look for it, man. I'm currently in the workspace. 200 and 330. All right. There we go. So let's see what happens with that right there. And then let's mark the pullback area somewhere here, right? We'll go to the top. We'll go to the top of this candle, and it just hits the top of this last candle over here. So I think if we do get a pullback, this will be the price range or close to it. Right. Now we wait. So I'll keep the micros on 30 minutes. All right. So micro is 1/10 of a mini. So that means any which way the price moves 10 points on the charts, 1/10 of 200 would be 20. So that would be a $20 profit or loss per 10-point move. So I'm just trying to calculate my stop loss is all I'm doing. So if I'm willing to lose, just lose $100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, that would be a 50-point move. So my entry right now on this micro is 25.6. So I'm going to have to go down to here and place my stop at there. That'll be $100. Be $100 basically. Yep, it'll be a little bit less, but that's cool. All right. So now that we have one micro, let's go back to the minis. We may be starting to get that pullback. These are the 5-minute candles. So I could pull this up a little bit right there. That's going to be, oh shoot, man, we might get 100% pullback on that big 7 o'clock uptick. I don't know. We'll see. Got my volume just up a little bit. Let me plug my charger in. There we go. All right. So 263, 163. And then down here. So that's a 200-point move, basically. 8 more minutes. Some good coffee. Got some blue coffee. How y'all doing this morning? Hope all is well. Just waiting for this market to do something in a couple minutes. 7 minutes roughly. Good morning, good morning, good morning. All right, so we're going to get that slight pullback. I think overall, I mean, we could go to what, 400 points, if not higher. We'll see. It's about halfway to where my pullback is going to be on my micro. We'll see. We might just tank when the market opens. That's why it's not really too safe to get in exactly. It's a thrill if you do, but it ain't too safe. You don't know what the hell the market's going to do. It is what it is. Hope everybody out there is doing fine, having a great weekend, great Friday. The week is just basically over. My oldest, he's off of school, so that's why it feels like the weekend, because he's home on a Friday. Something about school development, some bullshit, just not to put him in school. I don't know. You know how the public school systems are. Oh, now we wait 4 more minutes. All right. So what I'm going to do is on the micro, since I already have a stop loss set, I think the market's going to go up here for now. I don't know. It might. Right? Since we're already in a strong day, I'm going to sell my micro up here. If it gets up there. But that's $300 up there, so it may not even get up there. I don't know. Or it'll push up here, and we'll get that halfway reversal. Just like we did here, we got that halfway reversal, and then it popped up. We'll see. These are 30-minute candles on the micros. So we'll see. Go back to the minis. What's that smell? Well, it might be that seafood gumbo I made yesterday. It smelled weird. Oh, that's what it is. It's some shrimp heads I have sitting in the water. I'm making a shrimp base. Make the shrimp base and then freeze it. Save it for later. T-minus 2 minutes. Let's see. We're gonna see. I'm curious. I get excited for the New York Open. Two minutes. You might go higher. I'm going
order filled.
I'm going just with one and then sell it up here. Nah, I'm gonna get behind it. $12 seconds left. Let's see if this thing comes back down halfway and keeps going. Halfway is about right here. All right, we're 15 seconds into the New York Open. We shall see. I'm in with one mini and in one micro as well on the micro charts. We'll see. I should have waited a little bit for that pullback, but it's okay. We'll come down here to like
Stop filled.
I sold my micro. That's okay. Buy one down there.
Order filled.
So I got one at the 200 level as well as the 41 level. I'm about to put that shrimp on the stove and start boiling it real quick. That shit stinks. No, I'm gonna have to throw it away. I shouldn't have freaking left it out overnight. I screwed up. Should have put it in. I should have boiled it yesterday and freaking put it up. All right. We're almost to this level right here where you see this. I call it a contemplation candle. We should get a push up from here. Good morning. Good morning. I'm in with two positions right now. I got in one here around the 188 level, as well as my first entry at, I believe, 234. So I went long at 234 and at 88-ish, somewhere around there. We'll get that pullback and try to retest the high of the day, or try to break through the 253, because that's what it did. As you can see, that price level goes back to last week. It's a resistance. I hope everybody's doing fine this morning. So let's see, where was my entry? Okay. So right here at the 237 was my first entry. And then 201. Okay, I thought that was 88. 237. 237. So I'm going to sell one at the top here. $37 to 54. That'll be like $400 for that one. And then this one will be a nice one. Let's see what the 5-minute looks like. It's the 50 and the 20 EMAs. I'm up 5 something. Who's texting me? Oh, my wife. She's about to go in a few. She got a doctor's appointment. Another one. All these damn doctor's appointments. Jeez. So many doctor's appointments, man. It's crazy. Good morning to everybody. Ooh. I got that freaking commercial stuck in my head. Can't get it out. So let's mark this line off here. There's 1 minute. See the volatility on the 1 minute candle. Oh, let's see what happens. It's not really too volatile right now. I guess since all of that, right? I don't know. Are we starting to lose strength going up? And are we going to start going on a downtrend? If so, I may have to reverse. I don't want to lose too much on this play. We'll see. That's what the 5 minute looks like. A slight pullback on the 30 minute, which is to be expected. Direction, so I think it's safe to say I could stay in this position. I think. I do have one sell up here to get out of one of my positions. What's up, Suzu? Come on. The 5 minute. move that one up a little bit. Looks like we might be starting to lose a little bit. I'm gonna hold it. I'll hold my faith. I'm gonna hold it. Try to retest that high of the day. Oh. Excuse me. We'll set a 2-piece down here just in case. Save my tail. If it goes south real fast. Nice strong 1 minute. Can we get a continuation candle? As long as we can break past this area here, I think we can. Come on. It's a shrimp. I'm not sure.
Policy needs to be sold, huh? Yeah, there's egg stuff to it. First that with a little more butter. Hey, that's pretty cool. What is this really cool thing?
Come on. Come on. Get a push. Let's get a push.
Bye, Mom. Why'd you leave one of them shrimp heads in a pot?
I was gonna make a stock, but I forgot to.
Are you still gonna make the stock?
No, I gotta throw it out. I left it over there.
Wait, what is stock? I don't know what it is. It's a sauce, right? It's called the base.
Stop filled.
Oh, it sold them. Man. Shoot, that sucks.
Why don't you want it to sell?
Let's see. Throw some orders.
Josh, what is stock?
Let's see. We might start to go down now. What did I lose on that? I don't know, it's about I was a little over 1,000 loss. Let me get that out of here. Now we gotta reevaluate, right? Hmm. One hour candle. We're still in a bullish uptrend. may get a full pullback. I'm gonna enter one here.
Order filled.
Oh, this feels so bad. I have this one. Can I put a shrimp out, or do you need to throw it also specific?
No, you're storing a garbage can.
Outside or this one?
This one, because that one's about to go out anyway.
I gotta dump the water in the
Just
sink.
dump the whole thing in the garbage can.
Moral of the story. No without seafood.
Should be a strong pullback. So that's halfway.
That's not a problem.
No, we're gonna go all the way back down. What the hell?
Ugh.
Wow, look at that. Come on. Let's get a reversal here. Now that we hit it,
Order filled.
just go in with one here and try to get all that back. Now that we did fall, hopefully we can get a nice pullback all the way to the top. That's 100% pull. Jeez. I was expecting maybe 50%. Not that full. But I don't know. You serious? Should start to reverse any minute. I don't see us going all the way back down to the low today. Could be 100% wrong. Damn. Let's go all the way back now. Come on. Watch my drawdown. It's gonna be a fight. I think we got a fight in us though. Ugh. Oh man. Come on. Come on. Good morning. Good morning. Is up. And I'm hoping we fight all the way back to the top. All right. Let's go. Get some strong bullish, some strong aggressive buying here. Fair enough. Might have to close this position and reassess. Come on. Come on, big green candle, big green candle. Come on, wake up. The buyers need to hurry up and step in. Back up here. That's no. Come on. Let's get up there. I might have to hop out of this one as well. Yeah,
Order filled.
I can't do that.
Order filled.
Push down. Keep it pushing. I should have been shorting the whole damn time. Go. Push. Push down. Push down. Go.
Stop filled.
Damn. It's all right.
Order filled.
Push. Push.